Good morning, Miss. Good morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Yeah, very good morning, children. Very good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Very good morning.
Miss, I'm learning abacus.
Who is that learning abacus?
Chaitra, Miss.
Oh, you're learning abacus. Very good. It will help you to do the maths very fast.
Miss, I'm doing without board also, Miss.
Very good, Chaitra. Children, all of you turn on the videos. Turn on the videos. See, if you didn't turn on, no, I'm not going to allow you for the class, children. Everybody should turn on the videos. Prem, Yakub, Ishwari. Everybody should turn on videos. Okay, children, did you remember regarding capacity and weight? kg and grams and liters and milliliters. We did worksheet. Did you remember, all of you?
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Yes,
now
Miss.
we completed that block. Now we are entering into next block, that is block 19. Okay. Which block, children? 19. Tell me which block we are going to learn now?
19.
19. Very good. 19 is introduction to division. You know how to do addition, subtraction and multiplication. You also got the tables, no? Now
Yes,
we
Miss.
will see how to do the division, children. Okay, let me ask you a question. If you know the answer, type in the chat box. Don't shout. Okay, if you know the answer, type in the chat box. Don't shout, children. So, there are 10 members in a class. Listen carefully, children. There are 10 children in a class. Okay? And on your birthday, you want to distribute. You want to distribute 20 chocolates to your 10 friends. Okay? 20 chocolates. You brought 20 chocolates to the school and you want to issue to distribute to 10 children. How many chocolates will each child get? How many chocolates will each child get? For one fellow, how many chocolates he will get? There are 10 children. You bought 20 chocolates. For one child, how many chocolates? For one child. 20 chocolates ఉన్నాయమ్మా నా దగ్గర. I want to give to 10 fellows. How many I should give? Hey Chaitra, what you are listening? 30. Yakub, very good. Kartikeya, very good. Yeah, very good. If I give 2 chocolates to each fellow, Jashvita, good. Good, Zainab. If I give 2 chocolates, 10 members will get them 20 chocolates. For each
Miss, they
fellow,
will give 2 chocolates, Miss.
Yeah, very good. 2 chocolates we should give. Then only 20 chocolates will be enough. Okay. Now tell me, how did you say that is you should give only 2 chocolates? Ella chepparu, how did you say?
I counted, Miss.
You counted.
Division.
Yeah, very good, Zainab. Still,
Miss, 2 times are 20.
very good, Prem sir, and 2 tens are 20. Still,
Number what? Miss, we did division, Miss.
yeah, here what we did, you know, we divided the chocolates. We divided the chocolates among 10 children. What we did? Divided. That is division. How to do division we are going to see today. That means we should give equal number of things. Okay, equal number of things to each and every fellow. Okay. Now, children, do you all have worksheets? Who have shown your thumb to me? Who have shown me your thumb? Ishwari have, very good. Lasya, you don't have? Lasya? Why you should collect from the school, no? Yakub, you have?
Telling to my father, miss, my father is not going. Miss, I didn't have my books.
Why, Prem? You should come to your parents should come to the school and collect.
Today I will come to the school and I will collect my books, miss.
Okay then. Okay. After getting your books, you complete. Who didn't have? Okay. Lasya and Prem.
Yes, miss.
Now do in the rough book. Amma, who have open page number 12, children? Open page number 12 fast. Volume 3, open page number 12. Put the today's date. Page number 12 open. Hey, Havish. No video by Havish. Ishwari. Video. Why, Havish? Are you listening? Did you open page number 12? All of you? Show me. Who opened? Show me the books. Yeah, very good. Okay. Now all of you see, look at the worksheet, children. Finding the number of equal groups. I'm reading the head. See, my children who didn't have books, I'm sharing the screen for them. I'll share the screen. Who didn't have books? Look at the screen. Children, can you see the screen?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now all of you look at the first
Yes, miss.
question. Fill in the blanks. Very easy one it is. So all of you look at the screen. Fill in the blanks. First one. There are 3 circles. So those 3 circles, you should consider them as groups. How many groups do you have there?
3, 4.
I'm not asking in each circle
4,
how many.
miss.
How
Three,
many
miss.
groups? Groups
Three,
are
miss.
3. Circles you have
Three.
to tell. Write in the
3,
blank.
miss.
Okay, write in the blank 3, all of you. Write in the first blank 3. And the second question, see number of dots in each group. Each means how many? 1. Each means?
It's completed first question by Zainab.
Zainab, quiet. Quiet, Zainab. If you completed, quiet. So number of dots in each group. Can you tell me in one group how many dots are there? Tell children in one. 4. Very good. Come to the question B. Complete all of you number of groups and number of dots in each group. Complete all of you. B1 completed means show me your thumb to me. If you complete B1, number of groups, you will count how many rectangles are there. Number of dots in each group. What were your answers? Type in the chat box. Otherwise, show me your digital thumb completed. Okay, look at the second question. Draw to show equal sharing. Write the number of groups it is given. If you observe A1, 15 beads in groups of 5 children. 15 beads in groups of 5. So draw all of you 15 beads here. 15 beads fast. Make it fast, children. Draw 15 beads. See, I don't have place. That's why I have drawn like this. You can draw in any ways. So 15 beads. What is the question they gave, children? In groups of 5. In groups of 5. That means in groups of 5. That means you have to make these 15 beads into 5 equal groups.
Miss, I'll do this, I know.
Into 5 equal groups you should. How I am doing? See carefully, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Miss, I completed A1.
Very good. Okay, who completed? Quiet, Nana, quiet. In groups of 5. That means in one group, 5 beads should be there. In groups of 5, one group, 5 beads. That means all of you circle 5 beads now. 5 beads you have to circle. How many groups you got? Tell me. 5 beads circle cheyali. Tell me how many beads, how many groups you got if you circle 5.
3.
Very good. 3 groups you will get. Write in the blank. Down blank is there. In the blank.
Miss, I wrote that one also.
3. What we did, children, I have drawn 15 beads and 5 I have circled. Here the same like do the B1. Do the B1. 24 dots are given in groups of 4. That means you have to circle 4 dots. Draw 24 dots. Who is going to complete first? Tell me the B answer. How many number of groups do you have? "24 dots in groups of 4 children." Type your answer in the chat box. Don't shout.
Miss,
Very good, Ishwari. Zainab, very good.
Miss, 6 groups.
Very good, Lasya. Very good.
Miss, show me the screen.
Yeah.
Completed, Miss. Miss, completed.
Okay, good, Satvik. Now, all if you look at the third question, Nana, we have to arrange 16 books equally in groups of 7. How many groups will there be? How many books will be left over? Total, how many books are there? Tell me, children. How many books they gave? Children, tell me how many books? Very good. 16 books we have to arrange equally in how many groups?
7 groups.
7 groups. Very good. 16 books you have to arrange in 7 groups. Now, first you have to draw the groups. All of you draw 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups. 16 books you have to arrange. So you all know 7 table. Can you tell me 7 ones are?
7.
7 twos are?
12. No, 14.
7 twos are?
14.
14. Very good. 7 threes are?
21.
Very good. 21. Now tell me they gave 16. 16 is nearest to which one? Which number here?
14.
Very good. 16 is nearest to 14. 7 twos are is 14. So all of you now, you have drawn 7 boxes or circles, whatever it may be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or maybe boxes. We know that 7 twos are 14 is very nearer to 16. That means we got 7 groups. In each group, arrange 2 books. That means draw 2 books. I am not drawing books, children. I am drawing circles. If you know how to draw books, you can draw books. But I am drawing circles here.
Miss, I don't know how to draw books.
Then draw circles.
Okay, miss.
So in 7 groups, if I draw 2, I am getting 14 children. I am getting
14.
14 I am getting. Now, if I get 14, how many do I left over with? How many will be left over? Quiet everyone, quiet.
Miss, there will be 2 books.
Very good. There will be 2 books left over, 15 and 16. 2 from 14. If you want to go to 16, 15 and 16. So 2 books will be left over. So in the first blank, number of groups right there. Number of groups 7.
10, 46.
7 ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ ఓవర్ బుక్స్ 2 14 కదా మిస్ చేశారు.
Children, wait the question. Did you read the question properly? They didn't ask 7 groups. Groups of 7, equally groups of 7 means you have to arrange 7 books in one group. Correct it, children. There is a small mistake we made here. Please correct it. Actually, the question they gave us here, equally in groups of 7 means 7 books you have to arrange in one group. That means first all of you draw 16 groups. Please erase what you have done. A small mistake is done here. Please erase, Nana. Don't mind, children, please. 16 books. All of you draw 16 books. Please draw 16 books. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All of you draw 16 books. And they asked in one group 7. That means 7 books you should make as one group. So if I make 7 books as one group, 1, again 7 books as one group, 7 books as one group. If I arrange, how many groups did I get? Can you tell me? How many groups do I get? Type your answer in the chat box. 7 books in one group. Very good. Now I'll get 2 groups. How many will be left over? 2. 2 books will be left over and I'll be left with 2 groups. Now all of you write in the blanks. Number of groups are 2 and the number of books left over here is 2. Please observe the picture how I have drawn, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I made here 7 books as one group. Observe carefully and do, children. When I make 7 books as one group, I am left with 2 extra books. These 2 are extra for me and I got, this is one group and this is 2 group. 2 groups I got. Please copy down, children. We have done a small mistake. Please don't mind. Copy down.
Completed, miss.
Yeah, very good. If you complete, please go to S2. Please go to S2. Completed children, go to S2, ma.
Miss, in S2, I can do the first question, miss.
Yes, if you can, you can do. The first question is very easy. If you read the question, tick the groups that are equal. Which groups are equal here? You have to put a tick. Put a tick. Jashwita, are you doing?
Completed, miss.
Jashwita, are you doing? Why no response from you?
Miss, show the screen.
Yeah, I'll show the screen. Wait, Nana. Wait for 1 minute. I'll show the screen.
ఇక్కడ 7 groups. ఇక్కడ 7 groups ఉన్నాయి. దీంట్లో 16 books కానీ dogs కానీ డ్రా చేయాలి.
Now look at S2, children. This is your S2, finding the number in each group. First question, tick the groups that are equal. 3 flowers, 4 flowers and 3 flowers. Which are equal here? First one and? Tell me which are equal?
Is first one and third one, miss.
Very good. First one and third one. Why remaining children are not giving answers? Yes, children.
Miss, I completed first only, miss.
Yeah, good. Okay. Second question, see, draw the things in each group to show equal sharing. Write the number in each group, children. Here, if you observe, they asked for equal sharing. They gave 2 circles here. This is one circle and this is second circle. And we have 12 beads with us. 12 beads. We have to arrange them equally. Can you tell me how many I should arrange to make 12 beads equal into 2 groups? Can anybody?
Miss, we should draw the beads in each box with 12.
So, if you see here, we have 2 groups and 12 beads, no? So, 2 into 6 will give you 2 6 are 12. So, all of you write here. See, up, write down here. 2 into 6, 12, no? Here, first, 2 tells you number of groups. Write down all of you. 2 tells you number of groups. Number of groups. Very neatly write down, children. 2 tells you number of groups and 6 is number of things in each group. Number of things in each 12 is total. Total things. Total things.
Number of group. Number
Children,
of
write down here. 2 shows you number of groups. 6 is number of things in each group. And the answer is total things. First నెంబర్ ఏముంటుందో అది నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్స్. ఎన్ని గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెప్తుంది. It will say how many groups are there. Suppose if I take 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 tells me what, children? How many groups are there? 6 tells me there are 6 groups.
Yeah.
Okay. Now number of things in each group. In one group, how many things will be there? Three things. Total things, how many will be there? 18. So same like that, here they are asking how many will be there in each group. Then you have to see 12 is there here and 2 is there. 2 6 are 12. That means in each group you will have 6 beads. Draw 6 beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of beads in each group is 6.
is completed.
Do the B1, children. Try B1, all of you. B1 is 18 buttons equally divided into 6 groups. They gave 6 circles in the B1 and they're asking 18 buttons. How many should I arrange in each group? See 6 table where 18 is coming. You all know 6 table?
Which freezer? Yes.
Very good. That means in each group how many buttons you have to draw?
18. 18
3
buttons.
buttons. Draw 3 buttons in each group, all of you.
Miss, I don't know how to draw, miss, so that's why I'm drawing like this.
Okay, Tanish, draw.
Miss, I got the answer. Miss, what we should draw? Miss, what we should draw?
What,
Miss,
Chaitra,
I
you are
got
not in the class? 3 times I told you what you should draw. Draw 3 buttons in each group. I told there are 6 circles. Children, if you complete, read the third question. Tell me what did you understand?
చదువు గట్టిగా. I distributed some books.
Completed.
Read the third question. Who finished?
I distribute some books equal among 5 students. I distribute some books.
Yaqub, no video. Why Yaqub? Fatima, Hasini, no videos. Why? Why no videos? I want videos, children.
I distribute some books equal among 5 students. I gave 7 books to each student. How many books did I give out in all?
Yeah, okay. Read and tell me what did you understand, children. So I'm reading now. Put your finger over third question. Everybody should put the finger there. Satvik playing. Put your finger near third question, everyone. Hasini, page number 13 in volume 3. Fatima, late to the class. Why, Fatima?
The signal is not.
Okay. Okay, children, I'm reading the question. Yeah, I'll show you the screen. I'll show you. Havish laughing. Havish, what happened? Okay. Look at the screen, children. This is a question you have here. I distributed some books equally among 5 students. I gave 7 books to each student. How many books did I give out in all? Okay. Now, all of you observe carefully. How many students they are telling? How many students?
5.
5 students. Each fellow got how many books? Each fellow got
7.
7
Each
books.
fellow got 7 books.
Each child got 7 books. So
seven
total how many books they got? They are asking.
35.
So if you multiply 5 with 7, in 5 sevens are
35.
35. So 35 books. 35 books I gave out in all. Write down. I gave out in all.
I gave out. I gave.
Why it is already in the question? Tanish, can't you write? I gave out 35 books in all. Look at the question and write down.
Miss C. Zainab screen completed.
Good, Zainab. You have to write there, children. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. That is multiplication sentence. If you put into, that is called multiplication sentence. Okay, okay. Children, if the meeting ends again, you have to rejoin for the class. Remember, everybody should rejoin. See, now 14 children came to the class. Again, after the break also, 14 children should join.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, now, open S3, children. Open. Okay, all of you look at the screen, children. Everybody should look at the screen now. So now, there are, quiet everyone, quiet. Look at the screen. I have 10 balls with me. Observe carefully. Balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 balls with me. And I want to give to 10 children. 10 balls are there with me. I want to give to 10 children. Can you tell me how many balls do each child gets?
Miss, 1 Miss.
Oh, 1 ball. Very good. Each child will get only 1 ball. Very good. How did you say? How did you say?
Miss, 1 children will get 1 ball, Miss.
Yeah, 1 child will get 1 ball. How did we say this? We divided the 10 balls among 10 children. Among. See, when you tell the word divided, you have to tell among. I divided. Look at the screen, everybody. So I'm writing here. All of you write in your books. I divided 10 10 balls equally among among 10 children. I divided 10 balls equally. Hey, who is that? Quiet. See, children, I divided 10 balls equally among children. So we know. Can I clear the board? Can I clear? Did you all note down?
No, miss.
Make it fast. What first question?
Completed, miss.
The one I have told you now. Okay. Now all of you look at the screen, children. Now. Can you tell me what is the symbol for addition, children? Addition.
Miss, plus.
Very good, addition. Don't scribble on the screen. Somebody is scribbling on the screen. We know the symbol for addition is addition symbol is plus. Fatima, don't scribble on the screen. Tell me what is the symbol for subtraction?
Minus.
Write in your books also, children. Write in your books also. Addition, ADDITION. Subtraction, SUBTRACTION. Subtraction. Can you tell me what is the next one? Addition, subtraction. Next, what will have?
Multiplication.
Very good. Superb. Multiplication.
Multiplication into, miss.
Very good. Very good, Tanish. Multiplication. MULTIPILCAT.
Yes. Multiplication.
Okay, children. We know that addition plus subtraction minus. What is the symbol for multiplication?
Into.
Very good, into. We learned subtraction and multiplication. Now we are going to learn the new one, that is division, children. All if you put the heading division, and the symbol for division is one sleeping line, up one dot and down one dot. This is called division symbol.
Miss, I know, miss, my sister told for me. Miss, I also got
Okay. This is the division symbol, all of you, right? So, division helps us to divide the things equally among the groups. Write down there, children, all of you. This is the division symbol. And write down, it helps to distribute the things It helps to distribute the things equally. So I don't have place here. So I'll write it. Division helps to distribute the things
Where we should write?
in worksheet only. Down or up you will be having some place. See, there only you should write. Things equally among the groups. Children, all of you read and write. Division helps to distribute.
Division. Division.
Division. Division helps to distribute the things equally among the groups.
Let's show the screen. This division helps to divide.
Division helps to divide.
Ma'am, which question?
Divide the things. It's not the question, ma'am. They have to write in the worksheet. Divide the things equally. Just for the reference, I'm telling.
Okay, ma'am. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్
Equally among the groups. Division helps to divide the things equally among the groups. Make it fast, everybody. So we'll do it three now.
Yes. Miss, completed.
Okay. Children, S4 is your homework. I'll tell S3 now. S4 is your homework. Please mark it S4 as your homework, all of you.
LLY QU
S4 is your homework.
among
S3,
AM
you know. Mark S4 as HW.
Miss, I marked, miss.
Very good. Okay, now children, we'll do S3 now. So all if you look at S3, page number 14, please. First question. Page number S3, page number 14, S3, children. So this is the first question here. Write the multiplication sentence for the cherry shown. What sentence they asked? Multiplication sentence. Can you tell me what is the symbol for multiplication?
Into.
Very good. Into. The symbol for multiplication is into. Now see how many, what these pictures are. What are these?
Cherries.
Oh, they are cherries. Very good. They are cherries. How many groups of cherries are there here? How many groups? This is one group.
Cherries.
1, 2, 3,
5.
4. Very good. 5 groups. 5 groups. Can you tell me in one group how many cherries are there? In one group? 4 cherries. They asked multiplication sentence. After 5 you have to put
20
as
is 4, sir.
5 into in each group 4. Can you tell me? Put equal to and count the total.
20.
Count the total.
It's
How many
20.
answer is 20. So what is the multiplication sentence, children? 5 into 4 is equal